In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your AOL account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select your username up at the top right. Go ahead and select it. And then select account info. So now on this page under personal info, you can select where it says update profile photo, and you can select from another photo on your computer and upload it from your device. It has to be either a PNG, JPEG, JPG, GIF, or GIF, or SVG file, and then you should be able to upload it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.